Hello internet world, welcome to a new video. In today's video I've got some really cool keyboard related products from Ajazz. They were very kindly sent in free of charge, no money's changed hands, they haven't asked me to say anything in particular. I just want to share with you my experience with these awesome products. I can't wait to share them with you. Without further ado, let's get on with the reviews. This is the Ajazz AC064. In fact, it's the Ajazz collaboration with 𝗦𝗵cie𝗽. It's an aluminium alloy keyboard, a DIY kit, and it is stunning. I absolutely love it. First of all, the product box, it says here easy to assemble. And then if we take a look round on the underside, we've got some of the specifications here. So the product weight is 1,035 grams roughly. So very heavyweight keyboard. USB Type-C, but you can use it Bluetooth or 2.4G as well. And it has a 3,000 milliamp hour battery inside. Compact styling, as you can see here, and it is just so nice. I'll give you a closer look at the keyboard in a short while. But inside the box we do get an instruction manual. It's going to guide us through assembling the keyboard. We also get a keycap puller, so we can remove the keycaps and replace them, jazz it up a little bit with a different design, some different colours. And we also get a braided USB-A to USB-C cable, the 2.4G USB dongle, and then of course the keyboard itself. And this is stunning. I can't emphasize enough how nice this keyboard is. This alloy metal enclosure is so solid and rigid. There's absolutely zero flex, and it is just a joy to use. USB-C on the back there, as you can see. And then if we look on the bottom here, little white pipette style rubberized feet. We've got the on off switch as well. We turn this over, you'll see that it is backlit. In fact, let me just do that again. Let me just turn this off and then on again, and you'll see that it is backlit. You can see the lights flashing across there, and it is absolutely stunning. The keycaps are sort of dual tone, so we've got the yellow in here, and you can also see just on the base of the keys we've got the yellow as well. Very cool indeed, and the quality of the engineering of this case is second to none. It is absolutely stunning. In use, obviously it's a compact keyboard, so you've got no numeric keypad. It feels beautiful, beautifully made, very responsive switches in here, and an absolute pleasure to use. If you want to set up a DIY keyboard yourself, which is very satisfying, and perhaps choose some different contrasting colours for the keycaps as well, Ajazz have you covered. This is absolutely superb and one of my favourite keyboards of the year. I can highly recommend it, and it is well worth checking out. This is the Ajazz AK966. It's a Bluetooth 3-mode mechanical keyboard. Comes in this nice large box here, and if we just take a look on the underside of the box, you can see here that it works with either a wired connection, USB Type-C, or wireless 2.4G, or Bluetooth as well. It weighs just over 1 kilogram. The keycap material is PBT dye-sublimation keycaps. Cable length 1.8 meters. It's RGB. It's got some lighting effects. There's also a really useful little turny knob on it as well, and it supports Windows XP Vista 7, 8, 10 and 11. So a really nice product box, stunning keyboard, and also we get some accessories as well. So all of these are replaceable, and we do get some additional ones inside the box. So for example, this turning control knob here, which has got such a nice action on it, also acts as a button. You can replace it with this alternative one that's included inside the box. All of the keycaps are replaceable as well, and the switches you can swap out as well. You get some extra ones to try inside the box, which is very nice. You also get some extra keycaps that you could try inside the box, so you get some additional keycaps included. We also get obviously some instructions, and then we get a little accessory pack. Let's open this up. I know what's in here. we've got a keycap puller and a cable. So we have got inside here the keycap puller just here for switching out the keys, and also a really nice detachable cable, beautifully made cable, USB-C on one end, slightly different shape to lock it in nicely, and then USB on the opposing end. Really nice quality cable. And then the keyboard itself, well, let's take a closer look. Just look at how stunning this is. Very, very cool indeed. I absolutely love the way this looks. So it's obviously a full-size keyboard with a numeric keypad. We've got some LED lighting just on the back plate here, and this indicates things like caps lock and also whether it's connected via Bluetooth. And if we take a look at the back, you can see that USB-C connection. We've also got little flip out feet in 2 different heights, little rubberized feet as well to keep it nicely placed on the desk. We've also got the mode switch on the side here, so we can switch between Bluetooth, 2.4G or wired. Something else to note is we've got cable exits on the center and either side. And then on this end here, if we take a look just here, we've got the little tiny USB dongle for that 2.4G connectivity. Everything's thought out so well. Typing action, let's take a look. It's very well dampened, a nice responsive keyboard, very fast to type on, very fast to use for games where you need a really quick response time. Nice action on the keys and a nice feedback as well. I absolutely love this, I really do. It is absolutely stunning. Very, very nice keyboard with decent control. Love the way this mode switch works. Very, very cool indeed. You can see the little LED light flashing there for connectivity. It is just one stunning keyboard. The finish of this and the overall design is really very good. For productivity, I can recommend it. For gaming, of course I can recommend it. And I just absolutely love the design, the weight, the build quality, everything about it. This is really superb, and I urge you to check this one out. Ajazz make a range of keycaps for mechanical keyboards, and this is one of their keycap sets, and it comes supplied in this box here, and on the back here it's just got the model number. So this is actually designed for their AC064 keyboard, but of course if you've got a compatible keyboard that takes this style of keycap, you could use it on a different keyboard as well. And they come beautifully presented in these trays. This is like a banana orangey yellow colour, very high quality. And let's just take a look at this second box. This one continues on with the numpad and the additional keys. Absolutely stunning, very nice indeed. And they also come with a little keycap puller inside the box. The actual quality of the keys is very good indeed. Let's take a closer look. So you can see here we've got the striking contrast on the top edge here with this white underlay, and then of course the connections on the bottom there to snap them in place. Very nice construction, very high quality. The finish is absolutely superb. I really do like it. Let's take a look at just one of the other keys, let's take a look at the shift key just here. Again, the quality is exceptional, really well made. The printing on the front, very accurate. I absolutely love it. Very good quality from Ajazz and well worth checking out. So I hope you enjoyed the video. I am so impressed with these products. This weighs so much. It's a really solid build, and I absolutely love this other keyboard as well. If you want to purchase any of these products, please do check out the links down in the video description. There's also a link down there to the manufacturer's website. And if you enjoyed my video, please do drop me a comment, hit the like button, subscribe, all that good stuff, and I'll see you in another one very soon.